Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a movie to your list on Netflix. So if you want to add a movie to your watch list, something that you want to watch later, then once you sign into your Netflix account, and while I'm doing this on my PC, the steps are pretty much same. You can identify these on any Netflix account, whether it's on your phone, whether it's on your PC, you will see the icons. They're the same. You can easily identify it. So if you're scrolling down on Netflix on any device, you will see the movies that you want to watch or series. And once you hover over it, you will see a plus icon. So let's say I want to watch Wednesday. I can go ahead and hover over it and I will see the add to my list. I click on that and it's added. Once you see the check mark there, it means that it's added to the list. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Now, how do you find it afterwards? Depending on which devices that you're in, you will see it shows up and you will just need to scroll down to be able to see. Now on the PC version, as you can see in the upper part here, you will see my list. I click on that and I can see all that is added into my list. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.